So what do you pack for tools on your adventure motorcycle? And I'm not talking dual sports or dirt bikes, your adventure motorcycles that you're putting some miles on. And I know for me, majority of my rides are solo. So I do try to be a little more self-sufficient, just in case something goes wrong. So I just finished a ride, and I loaded kind of heavy because it was going to be video making and comfort. And so I weighed my entire gear kit out from my last trip. Food, water, batteries, drone, night lights for my recording, everything was 80 pounds. That's getting on the heavy side. So I thought, I need to weigh out my tools and see where I'm at. So let's start. This is kind of a neat, this is, solo guy. I'm not as young as I used to be. Dragan Systems. It's a 2,000 pound come along portable winch. Just in case I put the bike where it should not be, in a ditch or something. But anywho, so this does go with me. So let's weigh everything out. Let me bring you closer so you can watch the scale. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Let's start tallying. We're just going to stack stuff. So here's my basic tool roll kit. This tool kit is pretty much my tire changing items. I do carry a tubeless tire kit as well. This blue bag is my battery jump station. Get that on there. My first aid kit. Rechargeable tire pump. Sidewall repair kit. 2,000 pound winch, which is just under 2 pounds. I do pack a folding shovel. Montana for forest. If you're going to have a campfire, you're supposed to have a shovel. Pair of vice grips. That is every tool I pack on when I'm doing an adventure camp trip. 19 pounds, 5.2 ounces. Do you consider that excessive? To me, it seems kind of on the heavy side, and there's stuff in there I don't have. The same point, a lot of my trips, if I'm 60 miles from my house, that's close. And a lot of these are 150 to 300 miles one direction. Take a look at that again. That's a pile of tools. If you have ideas, suggestions of things I should maybe look at upgrading or replacing. I mean, my battery jumps box, I like it. It works great. But as you can see, it's kind of big. But my first original thought was use this as a battery bank. But you really don't, at least my experience is, you don't get they're not a good battery bank, I don't. Like my cell phone, it'll drop this to 50%. So, I mean, yeah, I could get one charge. So maybe I should look into a smaller, lighter weight. Let me know what you guys are running. So yeah, I mean, I'm pushing 20 pounds just in tooling. Curious what everybody else carries for tools and how much weight they allocate. I mean, you can't pack for everything, and being a lifelong mechanic, it's hard for me to not bring tools.